Hi, I'm Ms. Martinson. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on where to find all of your assignments and how to navigate my Schoology page. So you'll click on your Schoology page under courses. Now you will have your courses listed here, not a whole bunch of math courses. You should have CP Geometry. So you'll click on your College Prep Geometry. And when you do that, this page will open up. The first thing is a welcome video. You can watch that if you like. It's a pretty riveting video about me. And then underneath here is going to be all of the chapters and topics that we're going to cover. You'll see this first folder is yellow. The folder that we're working from will be yellow. Everything else will be blue, so it'll stand out and it'll look obvious where you need to go. So that's our first chapter, is just a review of some topics from algebra that we're going to need for geometry. The first link you'll see is the copy of the notes, which you should have received already. If you lost it, you can always click on this and you can just print this out again. And just give it a second. There you go. And it pops up. And these are the notes that we're going to go through in class each day on the different topics that are covered there. We'll just fill those in as we go. If you go back to the Algebra Review chapter, the yellow folder, then underneath here I put some assignments in here just so you can kind of see what they're going to look like. So the assignment, I put in the title there the date that it was assigned, and then underneath that is the date that it's due, and I'll show you that on the calendar as well. And then as you look down to the bottom here, on Wednesday, September 9th, we're planning to take the quiz on these first couple of things that we reviewed, order of operations, combining like terms, and solving equations. When you take the quiz on Wednesday, September 9th, you'll see this sort of puzzle piece here, and that's the quiz online. So you'll be taking the quiz online with me in class, and you'll click on that. I just put this up. I put one question in here so you could see, what's going on. So 2a plus 3a minus 5a, and you would, go through and start taking that quiz there. Those will not be available until the actual time that you need to be taking that. So they'll kind of be grayed out there. And then if you go back to the home page, then when we're done with the algebra review, I'll change this folder to blue, and then the next one will be yellow, and that's where your assignments will be. I put these on here so you can see them. There's nothing in those particular links right now, but I'll be adding to that as we go. The other place that you can find your assignments is up top here in the calendar, and if you click on the calendar and you go to September, you can see your assignments. Now, yours may be in different colors for different classes. It says CP Geometry. Your assignment is on combining like terms that I assigned the day before. Wednesday the 2nd is the day that it's due. So everything on the calendar, the day that it's due, is listed there. In the actual assignment, it tells you when it was assigned. So not everything will be due the next day. It just depends there. All right, you can see that your quiz is listed on here. What day did I say? Here it is, on Wednesday, September 9th, CP Geometry. All right, so it's really pretty easy to follow there. All the assignments that are listed in Schoology will also appear on the calendar, so they're in both places there. And that's it.